back to educator.com. This lesson is on the order of operations. For order of operations, now operations we know are multiplying, dividing, adding, subtracting, things like that. Those are all called operations. So we're going to look at the order, and when we have several different operations we looked at within a single problem, there's an order which ones we have to do first. So to help you remember the order of operations, there's this phrase right here: please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Now that's just an easy way for you to remember the order of operations. So try to say it out loud a few times. So please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, and that just means P for parentheses, E for exponent, M to multiply, D for divide, add, A for add, and S for subtract. So you're always, no matter what, you're always going to solve within the parentheses first. If you have parentheses, then always solve that first. And then E for exponent. So you're going to do the exponents next. And then for M and D, multiplying and dividing, they're actually the same. So if you have, when it comes to multiplying and dividing, you're just gonna multiply or divide across whichever one comes first. So multiplying and dividing are actually the same. And then adding, subtracting are also the same. So for multiplying and dividing, there's no order, just whichever comes first when it comes to these two. And then for adding, subtracting, also the same. So if there's something you have to subtract before you have to add, then you just go ahead and do that. They're the same. Okay? So there's no order in here. But please excuse my dear Aunt Sally is just an easy way for you to remember the order of operations. So make sure you say it a few times and try to remember those. Okay? So here, now we just went over variables. So I have some variables here to kind of help us with the order of operations. A plus, in parentheses, B minus C, plus D squared, plus E times F. So first thing we have to do is parentheses. So this right here would be number 1. That's the first thing you have to do. So when you have a number B minus a number C, that's the first thing you're going to solve out. The second thing you're going to solve out is the exponent, right? So this will be the second thing for you to solve out. And then you're going to just rewrite this problem with that part solved. And then the next would be to multiply. So then E times F, that's going to be the third step. Okay, you're going to multiply those two first. And then all you're going to have left are adding and subtracting, so then you're going to just do that last. Okay, and then you'll get your answer that way. So let's do a few examples. So let's look at this.